Original bad man, you done know.
It's VQs.
Standard. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me have to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you. Her body amazing, oh. My baby, oh. I will love you forever, oh. Girl, for your body, I'ma risk it. I'ma risk it. Chop your body, girl, like a biscuit. Like a biscuit. Oh yeah, that come she jeje. No they do me, she get. You want it, come move fair. Now you I want to. Body smoking like a cigarette. Oh no. Baby, I can smoke it all. Yeah. Say now you I want to see when I wake up in the morning. Say now you I want to feel anywhere that I be going. Baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you.
So nobody better than you. I know. I said nobody proper than you. I know. One boy and reach your money, reach your money, them they feel you from London to West. We could do it my way, baby, make you ginger me. I wanna feel ya.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones, and in today's video you guys literally just saw me install this hair that I found off of Amazon. I picked this up, I ordered it on the 8th and today is the 14th. I think it came in like 2 days, but I just got around to installing it. So I like the hair a lot. It's super soft. I really like it. So let me give you some of the deets. So it's from the wooden store on Amazon, and these are their Goddess box braids. They're in 14 inches and I think they start at 12. The description says that it has 16 strands in a pack, but it's really 15 strands in a pack. And they also give you the option to get 7 or 8 packs. I went with the 7-pack option and I used all of the 7 packs. And this is in the color 1B, which is now my color, you guys. I dyed my hair the other day, or rinsed it, and it got rid of all the motherfucking gray hairs, okay? I was so excited about that. But look at the curl. The curl is so cute. Back in 2021 when I first got this kind of hair, I think I was sent 8 packs, but I didn't use them. I think I only used 6. And I had so many spaces, and I'm glad that I used all of the hair, because even though there are spaces, it's not a big deal because it's full. But I kind of wish I would have got 8 packs, but it's not that big of a deal that I have spaces, but I don't like to have spaces. I like for those spaces to be filled in. So for braiding pattern, I didn't even show y'all my braiding pattern. I'm so sorry about that. But I did like individuals. So on the sides I did 2, and then when I got to about right here I did 3, and then for these 2 I did 4 boxes going straight back. So I just braided it, connected it, braided it, connected it, and I did that 4 times for these 2 braids right here. And then for the back, for a fuller look, I just did the little zigzag method that I always do. Y'all know how I do if y'all been following me for a while. But this is what the back looks like. And I don't know what the back looks like, So y'all tell me, can y'all see that it looks kind of like zigzag? Can y'all tell? I don't know, but I probably might want to take a look at my head. The hair is super affordable, and I wanted to do this just in time for Thanksgiving, so when I'm cooking and stuff, I ain't got to worry about my hair. I'm gonna just throw my little bonnet on, put it away, and get to cooking. And this is so easy. This is so convenient. I love styles like this because you don't got to do much. You just braid your hair down, crochet it, and you literally go, just like I'm finna do. I'm finna literally go. The hair was $27 and some change on Amazon with a 5% coupon. I love any type of discount that I can get, so I took that 5% coupon. You just check the little box, and yeah, this hairstyle, I want to say it took me like an hour. I braided it down yesterday, and yeah, I always try to braid my hair the day before, so the next day all I gotta do is install, and it goes quick like that. But if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me down in the comment section. How you can find this hair will be linked in the description box. And I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching and tuning into this channel. I appreciate you guys for always coming back and leaving me comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.